2020 Chevrolet Blazer. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, tinted windows, HID headlights, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?